Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. This video is going to be a craft idea that you can do for Christmas. You can use these as gifts, classrooms. Like, you guys take this, be creative, and that is just with the chip bag. You know, make the little see-through window. I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but yeah, it does have the little window right there. You can put candy in it. I myself just took some of the little Dollar Tree stuffed animals. These things are so cute. And I just went on ahead and put them down inside of the chip bags. So this is what they look like. These are great. I think these would be super cute to give out. Thanks so much for coming out to our Christmas party. You know, give these to, classroom students. I think these are super cute. So let's go ahead and get into the assembly of this craft, y'all. Alright, you guys, so before we go ahead and get started, these are the little stuffed animals that I'm going to be putting down inside of the chip bags. These are just the ones that I picked up from Dollar Tree. Of course, I have scissors, and I'm just going to be using some little transparent bags that I have. You can use any type of clear bag, you know, even treat bags that will work, Ziploc bags, that's fine. And then all you want to do is just, cut them, pretty much cut it or just split it in half. That's pretty much it. This is for one chip bag, that's for another one. Okay, and then this is one that I already did. As you can see, the window is right there. But when I put the little stuffed animal down, the face was covered up, which is why I had to print off another one. And if you look, I moved the little see-through window up and just put the words down below. So all we're going to do now is just cut this white space out. Just going to go ahead, poke a hole, and then I'm just going to go ahead and start cutting this out. Alright, so now that we went on ahead and we got this cut out, I'm just going to go ahead and take the plastic part and tape it down to the inside of the chip bag. I'm not sure about using glue, you know, being that it is just plastic. I'm not sure if it would melt. So I just do tape, and tape does just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and finish taping this up, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now I pretty much have, you know, everything taped down. Not sure if you can see, but it's all taped down. So I got my stuffed animal right here. You can go ahead and just, how you do this is up to you. You can go ahead and do it this way, and then, you know, just go ahead and glue the chip bags together like you would do normally. I don't know if I should do that. I'm scared of getting glue on it. I don't know if I should go ahead and do it this way and then slide him in there. I think I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it both ways and just see which one is easier. So let's try it this way first. Okay, so that's what it is looking like. Just gonna put a little bit of creases in it. Okay, so that's what it's looking like. Now let's see if I can shimmy him on in here. Look at that, you guys. That is super cute. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and close it up, I guess. I'm gonna push him up a little bit. That way I can put the glue on the bottom. I'm gonna try to put this on the very, very edge. That way he has room to, you know, slide down. Looking cute so far. Yep. He's spinning down. He move his arm out the way. Alright, now I'm just going to go ahead and give a little push down in there and just close the top up as well. And then I'll be right back. Okay, so if you are just putting candy or anything like that, something flat, then it would be okay for you to just take the little mirror, the little plastic down flat. But if you are trying to do like a stuffed animal, something that might need some room to poke through, then you want to make it a little baggy. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's like a little baggy where it allows room to for the face just to push through a little bit. So just be cautious of that flat, and then, you know, leaving it a little baggy with some room. Alright, so I went on ahead and I glued the back of the chip bag as well as the bottom. So now all I have to do is just place this bad boy on down up in here. So it's a stuffed animal. You can, you know, squeeze it, push it down a little bit to fit this bad boy on in there. Let's see if I gave it enough room, enough wiggle room to go in. Well, you guys, I think it's gonna fit. Let's see. That's what it is looking like right now. Let me see how far I can push it. Okay. So that's what it looks like. Right now, as you can see, I have room up here at the top to go ahead and close it. And he has room to, as you can see, push through a little bit so he's not just all smashed up in there. So I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on here and get him closed up. Yeah. Trying to make sure his hat stay down. And I am like just putting this directly on the rim. He look a little smashed, but he's cute. Look at that. That's so cute. That is so cute, you guys. I love it.